What's up, guys? We just got to Cagayan De Oro. Off the plane. It was only about an hour from Cebu. We're in the airport now waiting for her friends so we can go to...
The CR is very long.
The CR is very long.
Line.
Yeah. We're going to a wedding.
Yeah. Wedding and some adventures here in CDO.
Yeah, we're going to go to an amusement park and then a couple of places they want to go to take pictures. So we'll see how that is.
You.
I guess I'll take pictures too.
We'll let you know once we get there.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Hello, guys. We're here.
We're at VJ and Dep. Let's see, I'll get us a picture of the sign. They have good pasalubong. Hi. Maybe we'll get a picture there.
Morning.
Good morning. Thank you, sir.
It's like the same with Bohol.
Huh? Ah, yeah.
It's 163.
What's that called? Calamai?
Calamay. Yeah, calamay. I was like buffering. I was like, what was it called?
Yeah, one of the YouTube subscribers said we should come here and get some pastel, so...
Shout out to you.
Shout out. Pineapple tarts.
The girl said that they're gonna eat some of our food.
They're gonna eat some of our food? We'll see if they eat some.
Like one of that. Oh, that.
Listen, there's tablea, like chocolate,
and herbs and salt too.
piñato,
Yeah. Oh.
coffee, ampao.
Ampao.
Very expensive ampao.
Yeah. True. Like the ampao in Cebu would be like half of this would be 20 or 30.
Yeah, that's 120.
Yeah, exactly.
Pastillas. Huh?
99.
Wow. Those are big chicharrones.
Yeah.
Pastimanga.
Pastillas. 180.
Pastillas de leche. And then there's...
I don't think you have this kind of...
Yeah. Will I have abs like this if I wear this thing?
They have shorts. Shorts for cute girls.
Oh. I wonder how much they are.
307.
37?
Yeah.
Okay. That's only...
307.
What's that? That's like $5. It's not bad.
It's not bad for you, but bad for me.
Yeah. They have pie.
Oh. 156. Uy, it's so cute.
This magnet is 120. It's a lot.
It's much more expensive than this one.
Yeah. That's okay.
I'll just buy some food.
We'll just get some food, I think. We're very cheap people.
Look at that. I thought it was like
jewelry.
I thought it was like 12.231, but 12,000. Wow. This one is like 1,000.
Beef jerky? That's the first time I've seen beef jerky here. Oh, it's pork jerky.
Oh, babe, this is bongbons.
Bongbong? Oh. We went there in Bacolod.
Bacolod. Yeah.
They even have butterscotch squares.
Yeah.
Rojas. Yeah.
181.
Well, you get different flavors though.
Yeah.
Almond, mango, dates, coffee. It's not bad for $3.
We're so tihik. You know what tihik? Thrifty.
That,
Tihik.
yeah. I'm very tipid.
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 Tipid is Tagalog.
Ah.
In Bisaya, it's what? It's
This is yours,
tihik.
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 Tipid means cheap.
And then this is yours.
Pinangkal. Pinangkal. These are like Filipino hush puppies. They're very good.
Okay, what else?
Ooh.
Yeah.
How much are those?
126, babe. And
That's not bad. Those are big.
And these are big. I think this will be delicious though. Let me check the
This one.
Are they all the same date?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna check.
This is date.
Oh, it's in here. Expiry date is November 22, 2024.
Ah, this one's 24.
Oh, this is much more like later part.
March
24.
2025.
We're always like checking, the end of day.
Yeah.
That someone is like doing vlog while they're like talking.
Okay, next.
Polvoron.
What on Pope?
Ah, this is like
Pastels.
242
For 6.
for 6.
But their 12 is only 315.
I'll just get that one then.
Ah, classic is 10% off.
Oh,
Is that what this is? These are like, what is in here? These are like cinnamon rolls. Yeah, these are like cinnamon rolls, I think. Are these? So yeah, these are classic yema.
yeah.
Oh, then they have durians,
Oh, they have durian.
assorted.
Durian is like assorted is 305. Durian is also 305.
What else? Pineapple.
Yeah.
Pineapple.
But this is by 6. Their durian by 12 is like 378. They also have like pineapple.
Pineapple, I see that. Classic yema seems to be the most popular. And there's chocolate.
Yeah, yeah. I think they store more for the classic babe since that's the popular one.
Oh wow. This is heavy though. This is the special yema.
Special yema.
What should we get? Should we get? I guess definitely the special yema,
Yeah.
especially because it's 10% off.
Look at us
Is that
being
cheap?
cheap.
Should we get chocolate or assorted?
Maybe the assorted one.
These 12 assorted. Oh, they have strawberry.
They're all strawberries. Oh, they have strawberry and banana. Can I see it?
Oh yeah, it's different dots. Green apple.
Yeah, yeah.
And they have little colors on the top to tell you what it is.
Oh. It's like shopao.
Yeah.
Like green, yellow, red. You're surprised. He's weighing it.
Is that enough, do you think?
Yeah. I'm gonna get this too.
And the cookies?
Yeah.
Should we get 2 things of cookies since they're so cheap, or no?
Yeah, maybe just 2. What do you think?
That way we
But-
can share one with the girls?
Yeah.
And
One for us to have a pasalubong in Cebu.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Are we gonna check out already?
Yeah, let's check out.
Okay.
We'll get some more cookies. Bye, guys.
They're sleepy. They're all sleepy. That's at the back. Sleepy.
Not us, though. We got a lot of snacks.
And it's just us, awake, me,
Yeah.
and this guy,
We have a lot of
this
travel.
girl.
Dahilayan? Dahalagan?
Dahilayan.
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 Dahiliayan.
But we're going first to the communal.
Communal ranch.
Yeah,
They want to take a
communal.
picture on a horse.
Yeah.
We're driving 3 fucking hours to take a picture on a horse.
Horse in the New Zealand area. Uy, like New Zealand.
New Zealand area.
New Zealand.
Nude Zealand.
New Zealand.
Alright.
Nude.
Okay, guys. We'll see you hopefully when we get there or when we get some food
Yeah.
for breakfast.
For breakfast or
Still
for
hungry.
lunch.
Brunch.
Brunch. Because we've just eaten like biscuits and Choconuts.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. Choconuts.
So maybe we'll have a snack taste test of our paso de bok later too in the hotel.
At the hotel.
All right.
See you guys.
Okay, we stopped at a carinderia. It all looks really fresh. I'm getting the halang and fish. So we'll see what all the girls get. What did you get?
I got ginaling.
Ginaling.
Yeah, and just rice. That's just
Okay.
it.
Kuya didn't want any food?
I don't know.
Yes. He looks pretty skinny. I guess he doesn't eat.
It's like 1 day for you.
Yeah. Okay, we'll be back in just a second after we check the food.
Gani, dapat mag-ana lang ta, ganyan lang yung...
Unya, sure jud mo dit niyo boyan, kakalit-kalit.
Dili sa gro. Dili man maboyan kay dili man na siya kusog kayo.
Ginoon.
No.
You want to go.
Five piece. Are you busog, sir?
Busog kayo.
Look at his chan.
Yeah.
Opaw busog.
Yeah. I had halang and pancit, 2 rice, and a fish.
And a fish.
It's
But
good.
you're on a diet.
It's my diet.
It's CDO.
All right, we're gonna get back on the road. Now I feel like a person, so I feel good. We'll see you guys. What's up, guys? We're at the communal ranch now. It's really beautiful. I don't know if you can see how majestic the mountains are.
I don't have a top, so I'm just using my umbrella.
There's a lot of people going to the ranch house up there. It's very hot out today though. But there's tons of horses. Are they just going out to like touch a horse? I hope they don't
Possibly.
get kicked.
Let's see the 360 view of it. Wow. Yeah, the place at your back is so nice, babe.
Yeah.
Just doing it here. Yeah.
Maybe we should get a picture.
Uh-huh.
Bye guys, we'll be back. Photo shoot time.
Sige, pagpuan lang.
Let it go. Nice to diri. Good. Let it go. Dara na, di na kayapin. Dara barang ka dara.
Diba?
Sige, go. Supportive. Supportive auntie.
It's really beautiful here. It's hard to see me because there's so much shade.
They're all changing outfits.
Yeah. I should have brought extra outfits too if they're all changing.
Mariusip, ba yun, sir? Mrs. Mariusip?
I only brought an extra black t-shirt, so I'll look exactly the same if I change.
Sus Maria.
Wow, there's like a huge river underneath. I wonder if you can see that.
Kalikod ko? Ay!
Wow, this is called the communal ranch. It looks super pictorial, pastoral. I don't know what word best describes it. Looks like a picture though. It's beautiful. Maybe we'll take a break real quick and try to get some pictures while we're here. All right, guys. See you in a bit.
Maklaro ni mo Goldie? Ako yan, wait.
New Zealand ba kuno?
Ang sige. Kanang nice.
Asa mo kami sin?
Nangita ko ka na.
Asa kami sin?
Sige, go. Tika mo talikod.
Okay.
Ikat lang yung ato niya.
Behind the scenes.
Sige. Ito pa.
Tanaw dito. Na. Perfect. Perfect.
Klaro ni mo ka.
Laro kong mata.
Hello, ganan ko.
Don't you want to take a picture with the cows?
Sure.
Sure.
I've seen cows before.
Really? Are they your friends?
No.
No? No? Alright. Bye guys. I'll see you later.
Yeah, this is the one shade tree in like 2 acres of field.
And it smells like cow poop in here.
It does
Cow
smell like-
dung.
It is cow poop.
Cow poop.
What's the Bisaya word for cow poop?
Tai sa baka.
Bais abaka.
Tai.
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 Ah.
Poop is tai. So it's like cow is baka. So call it like tai sa baka.
And they're having a drum practice up here.
Yeah. There's also like 2 houses that they rented to some of the people.
Ma'am, what are you doing, ma'am?